Vishnu Jain, who's there with us. Vishnu ji, thank you very much for speaking to me this evening. Congratulations to you. You seem to have hit a purple patch, winning one favorable order after the other. And this is absolutely spectacular. Now, there is a very striking similarity here. The arc, as I said, is following very much the Ayodhya arc, the Ayodhya dispute arc. Can you elaborate on this, Vishnu Jain? How is it that these things are so seemingly intertwined?
See, because you have asked a very, very important question. In Ram Mandir case, on 1st of February 1986, Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Pandey, the District Judge of Faizabad, had ordered for opening of locks, and that became the turning point of that case. And today I see the order passed by the Honorable District Court of Varanasi on the same footing. Today's order is a landmark, and I must tell you why. The reason is this, that as you have mentioned in your opening comments, that the Vyas Parivar was doing puja in the cellar, not from today, from time immemorial in that cellar, in that Taikhana, and it is only in November 1993 and December 1993, a state government, and let me tell you with lot of sense of authority, without any written orders, ousted the Vyas Parivar from that cellar in violation of section 3 of the Places of Worship Act. And it was from past 31 years, the puja and the possession which was with the Vyas Parivar was stopped illegally by a particular state government. So today that illegal act has been rectified on the judicial side by the Honorable District Court of Varanasi. The Honorable District Court of Varanasi has directed the Kashi Vishwanath Trust to start puja and darshan there. Apart from that, the court has also directed the district magistrate to comply with the orders within 7 days. After making changes in the iron fencing right in front of Nandi, the Nandi Bhagwan which is situated in the new temple complex, right in front of Nandi Bhagwan, the Vyas Parivar Taikhana is there, in which puja was happening, and the court has directed that after making changes in the iron fencing, that puja must start. And I was hearing to the lawyer of the masjid side, he was saying that no idols were found. In the ASI report, a complete list is there of the idols which were found from cellar S2. Please note this, from cellar S2 idols were found. Cellar S2 is the same cellar which is of Vyas Parivar, and those idols could have been destroyed. So therefore we took orders from the Honorable District Court, and all those idols are in safe custody of the district administration. So the court has directed all those idols to be put there and puja must start.
Yes. Now Vishnu Jain, you've obviously based your entire case on some irrefutable evidence, and the evidence suggests that this place was the site of a great desecration, of a great crime. Do you find today a willingness, generally speaking, from the other side that you are contesting, to accept the facts, or do you still find that they are continually coming up with newer obstacles? And what do you make of that?
No, I find that there will be no sign of conciliation from the masjid committee. It will be a dream situation for all of us if the masjid committee gives up their claim and takes a decent exit from this place. But I don't think that it's going to happen. As you have heard the lawyer for the masjid committee, they are going to challenge this order before the Allahabad High Court as well as before the Supreme Court, and they are welcome to do so, and we will also welcome them before the Allahabad High Court and the Supreme Court. And if you will see the facts of this case also, when in the Wazoo Tank area, the sealed area, when the Allahabad High Court passed an order for ASI survey on 12th of May 2023, the Masjid Committee went to the Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court stayed the proceedings on 19th May 2023. So it is, I don't think that they are ready to give up their claim. They will also fight till the last court of this country, and we will also fight. We have a very strong case on merits. And today, after seeing the merits of this case, this order has been passed. And one very important fact I also want to narrate, Rahul, that they had a complete intention to capture this cellar. It is with this intention that we had filed this case. On 17th of January 2024, the District Court of Varanasi directed the district magistrate Varanasi to take over the possession of this cellar. And few days back on 23rd, 24th of January, the district administration took over the possession of this cellar, and after that we asked for rights to puja and worship, which has been allowed today.
Okay, let me now bring in two other individuals. Dr. Ranganathan, of course, needs no introduction, but I want to first quickly segue into Mr. Kamru Choudhury and ask him a couple of sharp questions. Mr. Choudhury, the party with which you are in alliance with today, the Samajwadi Party, changed the character of the religious place of this Gyanvapi complex by barring Hindus. Till date, the Congress party has not condemned this violation. Now, after this court order, do you believe that a grave injustice was committed upon Hindus?
Yeah, absolutely. A grave injustice was committed when in 1947 the founding fathers of the nation had given a solemn promise to the minorities, rather I will be very clear, the Muslims of this country, that you are free to practice and preach, observe your religion, propagate your religion without any fear and coercion from any side. Let me just cite you one small example. I hope you will not interfere before I come to my argument. Today early morning in Mehrauli, the police went and demolished the Gyanvapi Masjid and the Dargah Akhunji, detained the Imam of the mosque and demolished an 800-year-old mosque. Was that the disputed one? And Hemanta Biswa Sharma abolished the Madrasa Board of Assam, a 100-year-old board of Assam. What did he say? That I do not want Mia votes, indicating I do not want Muslim votes. Now you come to the moot point out here. Whether the law of the land decides in which way it is acceptable to all of us. Gyanvapi Masjid remains a masjid, or Gyanvapi Masjid becomes a Gyanvapi temple. It all depends on the law of the land, and we are all duty bound to accept the verdict, whatever it is going to come. But on a daily basis, if these reports coming out that Baba Mil Gaye, and you find idols inside the Tehkana, or Vyas family is being returned the rights of puja, and you creating a majoritarian opinion among the people of the country. Rahul, that's what my objection is.
But you said that you accept.
Does not lie. No, okay. Rahul, please, let me finish. Very important question tonight. Whether Vishnu Jain and his side wins it, or whether the Masjid committee wins it, is immaterial for me. What is material for me is the solemn promise that was made in 1947 to the Muslims, that your places of worship, your culture, your customs will be protected in a secular India.
Okay,
when Vishnu Jain says,
I understand.
When Vishnu Jain says that the greatest problem to the Gyanvapi Masjid issue is from the secularists, I heard his statement. What does he mean by that? Hindus form a majority. Minorities are there in the country
Okay, one
as
second.
equal citizen.
I understand what you're saying.